Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Sierra and we do spooky lifestyle over on this channel and we are gearing up for spooky season. If you have been a part of my channel for any amount of time, you know that I love to support small businesses that are witchy and spooky year-round. So when Amber from Fifth Coven Candle Company reached out to me on Instagram asking if she could send some stuff, I was at a loss of words. I urge you right now to go to her website and just look at the amount of beautiful pieces that she has to sell. I was like very gracious. Thank you again, Amber, for sending over all of these goodies. I'm so excited to show you guys what she sent. You literally cannot go wrong with anything on the site. Like, nothing. She was also sweet enough to give you guys a discount code for 10% if you use the code WitchyBabe. I'll put that here on the screen. I'll also put it in the description below with a link to her website and her Instagram, so give her a follow, check her out. Thank you so much, Amber. I just love you, I adore you. So let's jump into the unboxing because you guys are not ready. Okay, so we're gonna start off with a candle. This is so freaking cool. I gotta make sure we're in focus. Yes. So I believe that this is a black, but it almost reads as like a charcoal gray, which I think makes it even cooler. And I love it compared to this deep red that just drips down the sides. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not gonna be able to burn this. This is gonna be one that I just like have out that just is like a little statement piece. It is so nice and it's a good size. It's not gonna take up a ton of space, but it packs a punch. I believe that these are unscented. If she can feel free to tell me in the comments if they are or not, but it just kind of smells like just wax to me, so I believe that they're unscented. I looked on the website and I believe I'm giving you guys the right information. This is so cute. Okay, I had to start off with a candle, even though the thing that was right on top, I was gagged when I opened the box because, well, you'll just see why. So at first glance, first of all, the packaging is cute. The little black bow with the leaf ribbon is so cute. I gotta get closer. Look at this. Moon and stars burned into the wood. This one says Kitchen Witch, and I love the leaf detailing on that one. This one is also moons and stars, and the quality, these are so nice. I love this one too, just your traditional stars. It's so beautiful. And then we have another variation of the moons and stars. So I love that, obviously it's a set because all of the wood matches. I love that the designs vary, but they all go together. Like, are you joking? I'm trying so hard to show this the best that I can. It's beautiful, it's stunning. These are amazing. Like, I'm sorry. The detailing on these leaves, I have to go back to the leaves for a second. You can even see like the little veins of the leaves. Like, that's amazing. So these are just so beautiful and the quality is amazing. I know I just showed you guys, but we have to take it in one more time. Ugh, beautiful. As we get into the cooler months, I like to make a lot of soups and just more comfort meals, and I cannot wait to use these. I'm also gonna be so scared to use these because they're perfect and pristine and I want them to stay that way. Oh my gosh, Amber, you literally killed it with these. Okay, and then there was a small black box and I just have to show you guys how beautiful this is. Nobody does this anymore and I need everyone to do this. The wax stamp, oh my gosh, with the crystal design in it. Fifth Coven Candle, thank you. Her attention to detail is just spot on. This is everything to me. I am obsessed. Inside, she's got her stamp, Fifth Coven. Like, girl, I love attention to detail. Okay, so this is really fun. Oh my gosh, you did not have to do all this. So inside, she sent 2 pairs of earrings. Everyone, feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. I think I'm right on these crystals, but just if I'm wrong, don't hesitate to let me know. These are the first pair, and I believe that these are amethyst. Oh my gosh. I love gold. I wear more gold than silver, but I am a mixed metal girly, so sometimes I'll wear gold and silver. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. On the back, here is the info. Again, I will put all of this down below so that you guys can click a link, check her out. But these are so beautiful. Just very dainty and simple, but such a statement. And then this other set, oh, these are beautiful. Like, what? Now, I believe that these are moonstone. And then you have the little moons at the very bottom. These are beautiful. I caught one of them shifting to blue the other day when I was looking at everything. I'm so obsessed. Again, a very dainty, simple vibe, but stunning. So when you guys see me wearing these in like every single video, don't be shocked, don't be surprised. She also popped a couple of these little incense cones in there. I love the purple, it's so pretty. I love how incense smells, so these are really cool. I'll definitely have to burn at least one of those later. And then the final thing that she sent over, I just recently saw her put this on her story, and she goes to markets and she said that this is a big one that sells at the markets. And I believe that by the time this video is up, it should be restocked on the website. So if you're interested in this, definitely check the website. Do it fast if you want to do it, because I have a feeling that her stuff goes pretty quickly. This is Fortune Teller. The scent notes on this are patchouli, blue lotus, clove, and amber. And can we just talk for a second about her logo burned into the cork? I'm telling you, attention to detail is out the roof. This is, oh my gosh. This is such a soft, calming scent. And being a white wax, you can set this on your counter, especially if you have more of a minimalist type of style. It's going to look so pretty just like sitting out. I can't wait to burn this to see like the throw and how it fills the house. It's like every time I smell it, I get a different one of the scents. Like I definitely get the patchouli and I get all of it actually. And they blend together so nicely. I can see why this is a big seller. And I love the name Fortune Teller. That's so freaking cute. So yeah, this is a 6-ounce candle. Again, there is the label, there is the logo. I'm sorry, I'm obsessed with this. Like, this is so, I love it. I absolutely love it. Everything that she does and has on the site is beautiful. I will be purchasing more because from what I've seen, I'm like, I need more because it's just, she's so talented. So definitely make sure to check her out. Thank you again, Amber. I really, really, really appreciate you so much. That was so kind of you to send those over. And I was happy to make a video to showcase your talents and your very cool items. So if you guys like anything that you've seen today, be sure to check the description for the link to her website. Use the code WitchyBabe to get 10% off. We're in fall. We're officially in fall. So surround yourself with all the witchy goodness. Treat yourself, you know? So that is gonna be it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again, Amber, for sending this over. I really appreciate each and every single one of you. If you haven't, make sure to like, subscribe, join my creepy little corner of the internet. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.